Good morning, welcome to my garden. Today we're going to harvest some Asian radish. They've been growing in my garden for the past 10 weeks and I'm really excited. This is the second time I've grown them. I grew them last year, but this year they're a lot bigger. So come and join me. So this is the Asian radish or the white carrots, and they've been growing here for 8 weeks and they're getting really big. In fact, this one here is actually started to flower. I'm leaving it because I'm keeping the seeds for next year, and I just noticed the one next to it is starting to flower, so this one will have to come out. I'm not going to harvest all of them. I'll probably harvest a couple of them and keep them in the fridge. And these radish I've been growing since beginning of June, and I have staggered the growing. So this is the first lot, that's the second lot, and it's growing next to the carrots here. How can you tell when the radish is ready? Well, I'm not an expert, but how I harvest this, I actually look for the radish sticking out from the ground. So you can see here, you can't actually see any radish at the moment, whereas over here I've got one that is almost ready to be harvested. Let's move. I'm not sure if you can see it. There we go. And you can see that little bit of white there. That's the radish. If you want it a bit larger, you just wait longer. And if you want a bit more younger, you just harvest them when they're a bit smaller. Radish with the greens left on the top will continue to suck the nutrients out of the radish when you store them. So that is why I'm cutting the greens off the top to help them last longer. Asian radish has a mild flavour. I think the flavour is milder than carrots. You can use them in stir fries, you can use them in soup, and I like to pickle them like in a kimchi, and even you can actually chop them up and add them to your salads. They're really delicious.